Hi everyone, I am Zaheer. I want to become fluent in English. It's my goal, and I challenge myself that I would only speak in English. I would describe everything in English. So yesterday I told about mongoose, and today again I will share a true story that happened to my father. It was late at night. My father was coming home from work. The road was empty and quiet, with only the sound of his own footsteps. Suddenly, my father heard a strange weeping sound. My father stopped and looked around. He realized the sound was coming from nearby. He walked closer and noticed the shadowy figure crying loudly. Yes, the shadowing figure crying loudly. But something was very strange that the person's legs looks like they were turned inside out. My father, shocked and frozen with fear, but my father called out, "What happened? Why are you crying?" But the person didn't respond. Again, my father asked, "Why are you crying?" Then the crying grew even louder and more painful. Then my father turned and ran away from that place, and he reached home and shared an entire story, and he said that never walk down that place, that road, and my father's voice still shaking at the time. And then my father never went that place. The night changed him.